Hi everyone, so Benidorm Crazy Marcus here. So today we are at the end of the Cala beach, the Cala just being back in that sort of direction, and funnily enough, coming round here you do find some stray cats. Very adorable stray cats. Quite a lot go around this bit as well if it will focus. Come on. There we are. Yeah, there's quite a lot sit round on this bit as well. They seem so kind as well, guys. I imagine quite a lot of people do tend to come and feed them. As you can see, someone's come down and put some food out for them, bit of fish. Very nice, very kind. They won't scratch you out unless you do really bother them, of course. They are sadly stray as well, guys. Wouldn't recommend trying to take one home with you. I really would not recommend taking one home with you. For one, I honestly have no idea how you'd smuggle a cat on a plane. And two, I think they're just kind of used to the life. I think they are used to just sort of living outside, living stray. As you can see, this little one here just chilled out, eating a bit of fish. Believe me, guys, there were a lot more cats round here, but I think someone's took like a bag of food round for them. I actually think you should be able to walk right round this cove as well. So hence why I am sort of getting a little thought that maybe there might actually be like a lot more cats round in this cove. Like maybe there's a little sort of caved off type area where they all stay in. Like they all just gather to sleep there maybe. Let me know what you think down below. Do of course have Peacock Island over there in the distance. Of course, Rincon the Loop, just there. Castell as well. Ponente Beach, following it along. Coming into La Cala, and of course, the Tempo building, Benidorm M. Come on, you. So yeah, La Cala is honestly a very beautiful place. I recommend La Cala if you are just wanting a more quiet holiday. The beach is quiet, family friendly beach as well, like the water isn't too shallow, nice relaxing beach. And To be fair, it isn't really too far to walk into Benidorm, or you can maybe get a taxi or bus. Nice little villa there as well, guys. Got tons of nice villas, apartments and fincas. Just beautiful around there, guys. Maybe one of the days when I've got more time, just come hop over this wall, sit on this little ledge bit down here, we'll sit on the rocks and maybe do a video of the waves. Wait, no, I can't actually do that because my mic got copyrighted on the sound of waves once, did you not? Twice. So, just comes to show how crazy stuff's getting nowadays on YouTube. There's my mic as well. He nearly fell over one of the cats earlier, actually. Sadly, he weren't filming though, but quite hilarious.
I thought I was filming.
Yeah, he thought he was filming, walking along, doing his video. Then the cat just sort of stopped dead white in front of his feet. He nearly tripped over him. And the cat just simply looks at him, gives him the cutest, like, do you mind where you're walking sort of look, gives a little meow and walks off. Absolutely beautiful day as well. The weather's gorgeous. Got one of the locals doing his exercises. Just so hot, and I mean, probably about 5:30, something like that now. Yeah, come, Gato. Okay, you don't want to be famous. Some more nice, beautiful villas there as well. They are gorgeous. About 5:30, I think. 5:30, maybe.
You said that once.
Yeah, anyway. So that's the time, and it's still pretty hot. Still beautiful sunshine. The beach is all still pretty busy, as you can see. To be fair, the cala is one of them places where, like, you can come sort of any time of year and it won't really be that busy. It's just a beautiful place. There are a few nice little gift shops as well. A few nice little bars as well if you're wanting a pint. Just seems more typically Spanish. I mean, yeah, you do get your Spanish in Benidorm, but Benidorm is like more sort of stress, partying, like more hectic. But the cala, it just has that sort of relaxing feel to it. I mean, me and Mike sat and had a drink earlier and we didn't want to move. We just wanted to sit on that bench all day and just relax and not worry about a single thing. To be fair, I think we could have if we hadn't had to do work. Anyway, going to end you here, guys. Then I think once I end this, I'll probably sort of head back in the direction of home now. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit subscribe. I'll see you next one.